Hello everyone. We were solving the chapter Time and Work. In this chapter 2.1 we have already completed. Now today we will solve chapter number 2.2. The first question. Say 90 men will construct a road in 40 days. In 25 days, 2/3 of work was completed. How many workers should continue to complete the work in time? So see, M1 I have taken as the man. So that is 90. See here it is 90 men. Second, D1 is the 25. And W1 that is work is equals to 2 by 3. And D2. Suppose here it is total number of days were how many? That is 40 days. So D2 will be 40 minus 25, that is 15 days. Since 15 days will be left. Here the question is that 90 men will construct a road in 40 days. But this in first case we will take from here, that is in 25 days. This much work will be completed. So that's for that reason D1 is the 25 and W1 is the 2 by 3 and man was 90. Okay, for the first case. Now for the second case, this one, we have assumed that X number of men are allowed to go. Means this portion it is said now that 2/3 of the work was completed. Then how many workers should continue to complete the work? So let we assume that few workers left. So how many workers left? That we have taken as the X. So man, for the second case the number of the man will be how many? That is 90 minus X, because initially the number of men will 90. So 90 minus X. This is M2. And D2 will be how many? Because 40 days was the it was the condition of 40 days and 25 days in 25 days they have completed 2/3 work. That means 15 days were left. And W2 is equal to 1 by 3 because total work, let we suppose that it is one part, then 2/3 of the work has completed, that means 1/3 of the work is left. That one, let we come to this formula. There is one formula, that is M1 D1 and W2 is equals to M2 D2 W1. Okay. So M1 is how much? How many? That is 90. D1 was 25 and W2 was 1 by 3 equal to 90 minus X and D2 was again 15 days and 2 by 3. So if we solve this one, see here we have solved. So finally we will get how many? That is 90 minus X, that is 90 minus X equal to 75. So X will come 15 days, 15. So 15 workers left. We have assumed that X is the number of the person who left the work. That means these 75 workers will continue the work. Okay. You will go through the video, then you will understood properly. In one time you do not understand, then go through twice or thrice. Next, by this formula, using this formula, you can solve the other problems which I have solved by unitary method. Okay. Now question number 2. Rohit and Ronit complete a project in 18 days. Ronit alone can do it in 36 days. So how long will Ronit take to complete the project on his own? See, it is Ronit and Rohit. There are two persons and they are completed project in 18 days. 18 days. That means project in 18 days. Rohit alone can do. This is 18 days for both Rohit and Ronit. That means we can write down that in 18 days Rohit and Ronit can complete one part. So in one day Rohit and Ronit can complete 1 by 18 part. And 36 in one day, it is said in 36 days Ronit alone can complete. But Rohit, how many days Rohit will complete? It is you have to find. So in one day Rohit will complete how many part? That is 1 by 36 part. Then Rohit alone will complete the work in how many days? It is for both. 1 by 18 was for both. And it was for alone, for it was Ronit. So if you subtract this minus this, then you will get the number of days for the Rohit. Okay. So we have subtracted this one and this is the day. From here only you can see that if 1 by 36 part can complete in one day, then one part they will he will be complete in 36 days. Okay. Now question number 3. Mary can do a painting job in 20 days while Jerry can do the same job in 30 days. How long will take to complete the work if they work together? Where is the problem? You will solve in this way, that in see, I have solved it, that in one day Mary and Jerry can finish that how many part? That is 1/20 by 1/30 part, because it is in one day Mary can complete, in 20 days he can complete that is one part. So in one day he can complete 1/20, and in the similar way you can write down that in 30 days Jerry can complete one part. So in one day Jerry can complete 1/30 part. Now this is in one day Mary and Jerry can complete how many part? This I have calculated, this already you have come to know. So now since 5/60 part they can complete in one day, hence one part they can complete in this much days. So if you calculate this one, you will get 12 days. Okay. So answer is the solution C. Solution C is the answer. Okay. Now rest of the problem we will discuss in my next video. So please go through all the videos to understand all the problems. Okay. Thank you.